Hi class. Today's video is going to be here to help us when we're having issues with technology. I know that you have been a little bit frustrated, just as I have been, with our issues that we've been having with sharing screen. So here is a video of what we will do in class today. When you go into Canvas, you're going to click on our ELD3 class. I changed the background of the class, so hopefully it'll be easier for you to find. Once you get to our ELD3 class, you're going to have a student view. You're going to see home, syllabus, and modules. I'd like you to click on modules. So yours is going to look like this. So you're going to click on modules. You're going to go ahead and move down and you're going to go to module 1 using technology. Here you're going to click Let's Practice in Canvas. Once you click on Getting Started with Canvas, you're going to see a PowerPoint load up, and your PowerPoint will start with the first slide, how to use Canvas. Now, one of the things that we did on Tuesday, was introduce ourselves and where we're from. So if you have not gone to the Padlet to put in your hometown and your name and your picture, I need you to do that here. You just click on this link. It will take you to a Padlet. Once you're in the Padlet, it's going to look, you're going to have a background, and you're going to click on this pink circle, and you're going to see a map. Here you're going to type in the city where you were born or the state of the country that you want to look for. So let's say I wanted to look for Jalisco, Mexico. And then it will pop up another box, and you're going to type your name here. I'm not going to type my name because I wasn't born in Jalisco, but my grandfather was. So I am going to put his name, Esteban Martinez. And then you're going to hit this little camera. Your computer's camera will pop up. You're going to take a picture, and then you're going to leave it alone. You can change the color of the background. And as you can see, we have some that have already been completed. We have Brian's from Sacramento. We move the map. We have Nee's from Vietnam. So if you have not done this particular assignment, I need you to go ahead and do that assignment. Now, once you have done that, or if you've already done that, one of the things that we are going to do is practice some vocabulary. Some of you have already started the vocabulary practice, and this is our second step. So we have the word dashboard, global navigation, discussion, submit, sidebar, recent activities stream, announcements, files, assignments, icon, settings, and hide. In the beginning of class, when we're in teams, I'm going to assign everybody 1 or 2 words. Once you have your word, you are going to complete this practice. Now, for this practice, it says, for each assigned word, look up the definition, add an image for your word, and use our Padlet link below. So you're going to click on this Padlet. It's going to take you to this link. Now, again, you're going to go to the pink circle, click on it, and you're going to get a box like this one. Now, if you have not registered for Padlet, I need you to type in your full name first. I need you to type in the word that you were assigned. So let's say I assigned the word dashboard to you. You're going to type in the word. Now you have to go look for the definition. So you can open up another tab up on your computer, and you will find very easily, just put dashboard definition. You have to read the definitions. All our words have to do with technology. So you have to find the definition that best suits our topic. So after looking at these, I'm going to choose a home page on a website giving access to different elements of the site's functionality. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to do Control C for control copy. And then I'm coming back to my Padlet. And what I'm going to do is I am going to Control V to add my definition. Now, it also said to add an image. So the way you add an image is you come down here and you see this little globe. You click on it, and now you can search for images. So we want an image of a dashboard. We click on it, and you'll get different images, and you have to say, okay, this is not really a dashboard that has to do with technology. So maybe I'm going to put in Canvas dashboard to see if that helps. And look at that. Here's a picture of our Canvas dashboard. So I'm going to choose that picture. And now here is the box that I have completed. It has my name. It has the word that I was assigned. It has the definition, and it has an image. And that is one of the assignments that we're going to complete today. So I hope this was helpful, and good luck.